Importance of forest. Shyam is overwhelmed to see the greenery of forest. Forests have lot of contribution to our life. Let us have a look at a few of them. Air. Forest purifies the air by releasing oxygen. Medicine. Many forest plants are the source of medicine. All the parts like roots, barks and leaves have medicinal value. Water. Forests improve water quality by slowing and filtering rainwater. They also protect the watersheds. Wood. We get timber from forests to build furniture, ships and houses. Food product. We get many varieties of fruits and honey from the forest. Shade. By cooling the air and ground around them, the shade from the forest trees help to cool Earth's temperature.